Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. We're very happy you are here today.
Today's topic is meeting new friends in English.
Yes, this is real English conversation for daily life.
We will practice easy English for beginners, A1 to A2 level.
You will learn simple phrases to say hello, introduce yourself, and ask basic questions.
Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel.
Let's begin and learn English together.
David, when you meet a new person, what do you say first?
I say hello, nice to meet you.
Great. Everyone repeat. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Good job. Another common phrase is, my name is,
Yes, for example, my name is David.
and my name is Anna.
Let's practice together. My name is blank.
Great job. Next, we can ask, what's your name?
Repeat, everyone. What's your name?
Very good. Let's listen to a simple real-life conversation.
Okay, let's start.
Hello.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My name is Anna. What's your name?
My name is David.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from Australia.
Great. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I'm a student.
Nice. Have a great day.
You too.
Let's break this down slowly.
First phrase. Hello. Hi.
These both mean the same. They are friendly greetings.
Next. Nice to meet you.
We say this when we meet someone for the first time.
Repeat. Nice to meet you.
Great job. Next question. Where are you from?
We use this to ask about someone's country. Example, I'm from Japan. I'm from Cambodia.
Good job. Now let's practice useful words.
Repeat after me. Hello. Nice. Name. Friend. Student. Teacher.
Excellent.
Now full sentences. Hello, my name is David. I'm a student. Nice to meet you.
Great job. Now it's your turn. Let's practice together.
Answer slowly and clearly.
What's your name? Good job. Where are you from?
Excellent.
What do you do?
Very good. You're doing amazing.
Here's a small tip for beginners.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Speak slowly. Speak clearly.
Simple English is good English.
Great job for practicing today.
Now, our community question.
Who is your newest friend? Where are they from?
Write your answer in the comments.
We love reading your answers.
Thanks for learning English with us today.
See you next time. Keep practicing every day.
Bye-bye.